Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the message, your Windows license will expire soon, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you the best working methods step by step to fix this issue easily, without any waste of time. Our first step is, click on the Start button and type Task Manager in the search bar. Open Task Manager from the results. Now find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select End Task. At this point, your desktop background might go black. Don't worry, this is normal. Now click on File in the top left of Task Manager and select Run New Task. In the box that opens, clear anything written there and type Explorer.exe. Click OK. Your desktop will be back to normal now. Close Task Manager and refresh your desktop. Let's move to the next step. In this step, we'll use Command Prompt. Click on Start and type CMD or Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the CMD window, type this command. Press Enter. Once you see the success message, close the window. Now refresh and restart your system. In most cases, this command fixes the issue. But if your problem is not solved, try the next method. Click on Start and type Run, then open the Run app. In the Run box, clear the text and type services.msc. Click OK. The Services window will now open. Scroll down and find Windows License Manager service. Right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, under Startup Type, select Disabled. Click on Apply and then OK. Close the Services window, refresh your system, and restart your computer. After restarting, the activation warning should be gone, and your issue will be solved for sure. I hope this video helped you fix the Your Windows license will expire soon error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.